Hey, Chad.
What's up?
He was just saying he misses being in nature. And we're about to go up there. Oh, wow. Look at those boulders.
Those would be like the boulders that we're on.
Yeah. So we're going to be climbing them or around there somewhere. Looking forward to it. We're in Xiamen, by the way. And we're going to be climbing that. All good.这里很漂亮哈。
很漂亮。
Hello。
在那个。要不要跟老外合照一下？你们会听中文，会讲中文？
听一点点。
讲得很好。
谢谢。Came from down there.
I was a little bit wrong about the distance of the hike.
It's alright. That was awesome.